Hello everyone and welcome back. So essentially today we'll be making an object in R. So the first thing we're going to be doing, while we do have the file up here, making an object is a lot easier in the console. So what we'll be doing is we'll be doing capital X, then we'll do a little arrow. This is called the assignment operator. By giving the assignment operator, we are making the object and giving it a value. In this case, we'll be giving it a value of 10. From there, bam, it comes up here with the little, this is called the environment. It's basically meant that X has now become a value of 10. And then if I run here and go print, and then do capital X, the reason why capitals is important is because otherwise if I do capital without capital and then just do little lowercase, it comes up here. Oh, X is not an object. Whilst because I did a capital here, it does become an object. From there, we can then assign things. So then if I was to say like, post my, like let's call it the string, and then give it a value. We can also assign strings as a value. So if we do this, give it a little apostrophes, I think they're called. Then by giving it quotation marks, I apologize. By giving quotation marks, we then make a string, which is word values. So then if I was to say, call it welcome, making sure, and then doing that, we've then got it up here. It's got a string value, and then we are able to print it with the string. Always make sure to be careful in the way you type this, because otherwise it doesn't work. It is very much finicky in the case that if you are printing something or typing out something, you have to do it the exact same way that you have either been shown or you have done before. Because while you are trying to essentially print an object, or run a code, it doesn't like the idea of you doing something different. Like, because if I've done that, it says welcome, but if I was to do lowercase, and if I was to do the string, let's say, yeah, I just do it all in lowercase, it doesn't understand, because this is completely different in its eyes to this, because I've done two capitals here. And due to that, it can vastly change code, and it will plague you when you are writing code. Unfortunately, it's not that difficult once you get used to it to just see the differences. I do suggest just going over it once or twice when you are getting errors, because that way when reading code, it becomes so much easier and you're not just running code and screaming at a screen. I hope this has helped, and have a nice day.